Welcome. If you want to keep your Telegram group secure and control exactly who can invite new members, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll show you how to prevent group admins from inviting users via a link. These steps work with the latest Telegram update, so you can manage your group's privacy with confidence. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and that you have admin rights in the group you want to manage. Once you're in, head over to your group by selecting it from your chat list. Next, tap on the group name at the top of the chat screen. This will take you to the group's information page, where you can see all the details about your group and its members. Look for the Edit option, usually found in the top right corner, and tap it to access the group's settings. Now, find and select the Administrators section. Here, you'll see a list of all the admins in your group. Scroll through and tap on the admin whose permissions you want to change. This will open up their admin settings, showing you a list of all the permissions you can toggle on or off. Look for the option labeled Invite Users via Link. If you want to prevent this admin from inviting new members using an invite link, simply toggle this setting off. This will immediately remove their ability to generate or share invite links for your group. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to save. This ensures your new settings are applied right away, and the selected admin will no longer be able to invite users via link. By following these steps, you can easily manage which admins have the power to invite new members, helping you keep your Telegram group safe and under your control. Whether you want to stop spam, maintain privacy, or just tighten up group management, these settings put you in charge. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips to make the most of your Telegram experience.